Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will cook pakbet Pinoy style. First, you have to saute garlic, onion, and add chicken. Simmer it for 5 minutes. And then you can add salt, pepper, and then add green beans, squash, and also baby marrow. Then put water, and then put soy sauce. Then stir it or simmer it for 5 minutes. Then add eggplant and then also then close it for 5 minutes. After that, you can add fish sauce and then simmer it for 10 minutes. No shrimp paste for healthy option. And that's it. Thank you for watching.